you get to 12, tell me to stop. Okay, 12 is a big number, but let's see if we can get there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wonderful, isn't it? And well, I love colours, and I've got some colours here, and I want you to tell me. Listen, what colour is this? Black. That's right. Now, are you good at blowing? Yeah, you sure? Good. On the count of 3, I want you to blow very hard. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, you're good at blowing. Okay, this time, rather than blow at me, I want you to blow at my black hanky. And as you blow, you'll see some other colours. And I want you to shout out those colours when you see them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! What colour's that one? What colour's that one? Blow again. And smell. It's a smelly sock. It looks like one of mine. If it smells funny, it belongs to Bruno the Clown. Here we go, we don't have to sniff it. Do you sniff your socks? Not a good idea, is it? Anyway, I'm sure this isn't going to be too bad. Oh, that's not. Well, let me get my duster out a minute, because what colour's that? And I didn't have much time to dust around my clown stuff this morning, so I'm just going to give it a little dust, and that's fine. And then I'll dust myself down. That's it. Good as new. Right, and I'll just put it back in the case, okay? And now we're going to go over here. Mr. Snowman! Mr. Snowman, you gave me a jump then when you jumped out of the case. Now, Mr. Snowman, let's put you back inside the case, because it's a bit cooler in here and it's really warm in the school, and I don't want you to get melty, so let's pop you back in there. I've got some ice cubes in there, so you stay nice and cool in the case, because I don't want him to melt. You don't want him to melt, do you? Right, the ball in the tin and catch it when it comes out the other end. Shall I try? Here we go. Woo! Good, that was good, isn't it? Shall I try again? Woo! Let's try again. And woo! Where's it gone? It's still in there. That's better. Right, let's try it again. Ready? Woo! Woo! Let's see if I can do it 5 times. Woo! 3, 4, and 1 for that. Oh, there we go, that's fun. It's a lovely flower. We're going to try and make it grow. We're going to try and make it grow bigger. Do you think you can do that for me? Let's see if we can make it grow bigger, okay? On the count of 3, I want you to go like this. Let's try that, ready? Right, you let me know if it starts growing. Let's do it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. It's not growing, is it? What happened then? What happened then? It's not. Right, okay, let's try again, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No, I don't think this one's going to grow, is it? Not really. little bit of cooking now, because I like cooking at Christmas. But of course we've got to remember, the cooker's hot. Children, you don't go near the cooker, and you never play with matches or lighters, you never go near them, okay? Right, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of magic into our pot. There we go, and a little bit of our lovely colourful snowflakes. Good, that's right. Now, we're getting ready, okay? We're going to cook our lovely food. Here we go, are we ready for this, children? Good, okay, let's just put that there. Let's just put the lid there ready. Okay. Right, now, yeah, I've got a match, I'm going to be really, really careful. Here we go, you ready for this? Wow! Whoa! Whoa! Man, that was hot! Whoa, where's my fan? Oh, I'm going to need my fan. It's no good. Let's all go, Alakazam. 1, 2, 3. Good, oh good, I can cool down now. Right, shall we see what we've cooked? Good, okay, right, here we go. I hope it's good. Oh, wow. Oh, I can't eat this. It's too cute. Look, I've got a little chick. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, I can't eat you. You look too cute. You make a lovely present for my wife. Yeah. Okay, let's pop you in my pocket. A little baby, yeah, it's a little baby chick. Isn't that cute?